it's kind of like learning.
So you
So I
built
spent
your
like
own...
$4,000 on my computer because they like paid for it, and I just like learned to build a whole computer from scratch. I built my own.
That is so nice. I mean, you should have make your business on that. By fixing people broken stuff.
Yeah. It was pretty good, dude. Like learn.
Alright. Every time the game starts, you cannot hear me for like a couple seconds. Do you spawn already and shoot?
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I'm still loading up to spawn. Now I just spawned.
You might lag because of how far apart we are, like the ping.
Yeah. That should be good.
I don't even know how to play this game, dude. I've never played a game like this.
So
I played like the other ones.
So there's a research in like if I die, you gotta look at the time that they give us that it's gonna make me spawn, the time limit. So we're playing research until the gas goes smaller and smaller. You're just trying to survive.
Okay, so it's just battle royale kind of.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, but we're gonna spawn if one of us stay alive. You die, I spawn. You know.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
I
You're
see.
gonna see. You gonna find.
So
out
as long
exactly.
as one of us stays alive, the other one can respawn in. I see, I see.
And at like the 3 round on the cast, they're gonna disable the research in like you die and that I gotta buy you in the store in order to bring you back.
Okay, I see. I can play for a little bit, and then I probably can play like 1 or 2, and then I'll have to go do something, and then I'll be back later tonight.
Okay. Whenever you play, you invite me if you see me on. I join you and help you with the game. I know you're gonna get better real quick because you got a really good system. Alright, let's go castle. You open the box, get your guns, just like most of the battle royals.
There's a guy up top, on top of the castle.
Bottom. I'm on bottom. Come get my guns, Strider. Really good guns. It's my loadout guns. Somebody's right next to me. It's right there. I mark it. Both of them, shotgun and I got somebody. He's down. Look at him, bro. What's up? How are you, man? I'm sorry, bro. You gotta go down again. Those are my guns. That's my first loadout. Grab the shotgun. Has a secondary.
It's not letting me pick it up. It says no lethal equipment for some reason.
Huh?
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Wrong keybind.
Grab the other one too. You can have 2 guns. And you keep switching them when you know. Somebody just landed. I can hear you. Oh, there's a good guy. I think he's on top. I got my gun, the same guns you have. Some of these box give you like good box. Like if you see like a box that is red and yellow, that's your first loadout. Your first.
I gotta fix my settings real quick. My settings are being weird.
So what I use, you gotta turn off all that. Turn off all the controller vibration or whatever the hell is it. What it is? Let me see.
Oh shit, he's on me, It fucked me up. I'm changing my settings real quick. My settings are too high, it's making me lag. I'm on like ultra settings right now.
Alright, fix your stuff.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Oh, you left the gun over
there. There we go. I see, okay. There we go, now I can actually see the map, bro. My shit was too much. Oh shit. So once you cut your chute, you're... I see.
You gotta use your parachute. You can kill yourself so you can spawn back, you know?
I'll just give up. Alright.
Yeah.
Let me fix the rest. Get screen check and all that shit out of here.
Yeah, field, go to graphic and turn all that. Alright, our loadout is done. You don't even have a loadout yet, because the special guns that you make on the lobby, that you're gonna use it on the game. There's a lot of stuff you gotta fix, you know?
Yeah, there's a lot of optimization for sure.
Yep. Why does this guy keep hiding over and running? Shoot, run. I'm gonna find you, bro.
Setting mine.
You see that loadout? Is that yours or?
Come and take mine. Come and take mine. That's every time the first move of the first circle goes, there's a free loadout coming with it, and that's the only thing that they gave it to you. Use my guns. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Somebody use drone. There's drone in the game too, with C4 on it. Come to me.
I'm coming over to you to sing your resume.
Can't let you go out like that.
Shit, there's a lot in this game, bro.
Yeah. It's like real.
Oh, I see. So it's a grenade.
You gotta use your armor plate up. You gotta plate up.
Where the fuck is the plate one?
I got plates over here. Alright, use my guns right here. And there's plates I dropped.
Got armor here.
The plates help you get affected little. Like it won't take your health real quick. It's just like another
shit, you have nice shit, dude. Your weapons are nice.
Yeah, I unlock a lot. It's better to play multiplayer so you can unlock a lot of stuff. Because multiplayer play free for all or something.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do the tutorial. I just skipped it, so I don't know any of my controls.
Yeah, do it and you're gonna get it real quick, because your setup is so nice. And I hope you make a business with your skills, because that skills is a really good skills that I didn't even have. I'm telling you, Sammy, that's a really nice skills you got, so use it in our resource to help you leave this world. I know you can.
That's what school's for.
Yeah, that's what.
So that's what I'm going to school for, man.
Yeah. That's really. Where are you gonna go? Your school? Where are you gonna go to?
I'm I'm going to school right now at Montana State University.
New York City? That's
No,
nice.
Montana State University, yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. Remember, I'm
Yeah,
in Jeffersonville, Indiana, if anything, okay?
Yeah.
Safe zone.
Yeah, I'm over here with my family. With kid, only us. That's why I'm mad at the kids outside, cause they just come and keep picking at the window like, who the hell are you, man?
Someone over here.
Got you. Oh, watch out, they got mines. Remember to armor up.
Yeah, I already put it up.
Somebody just landed next to us. I think he run there. Oh, there he is. Oh, Sammy. Yo, bro. Those are real players,
One more
man.
up there.
Why you do them like that?
One more up there.
I got him. He's on you.
I got you, bro. These guys don't know what's about to hit him. Oh, I just got his weapon, bro. His weapon's good.
Get this. That's a bird. Alright, there's somebody just... Let's go cemetery over here.
Ones that only pick up all these plates and shit.
Oh shit, no, don't go over here. There's two people on top of it. We gotta kill them.
What's up?
There's two people on top of cemetery that might be.
Oh, I see, I see.
Yellow beam.
Oh, he's right here, right here. I'm landing on top of the building.
I'm moving on the bottom. Where are you hiding, bro? Where are you going? Where are you going? There's one more.
I see him on me. He's lit up, To the right a little bit.
What you trying? he tried.
Good shit. Oh, there's one more landing.
Yeah.
They're landing on us right here. Oh, he's shooting at me. Fuck. Oh, there's so many people here. I'm coming down. I gotta get my shit.
There's an ammo box if you need ammo.
Yeah, I'm just playing up real quick.
Oh, there's guns, good guns. The one that I just killed. There's armor face. There's good perks.
Oh shit, he has good guns, bro. Fuck yeah, dude.
There's people on top.
He said come back out.
Friendly buy station is ready.
Enemy movement in the AO.
Oh shit.
Behind you. Two of them. One more around the corner.
Daddy, kill me!
He ran out.
This is the end game. Contracts out there have increased payouts. Get to them first to cash out.
Got you. Oh, he prick. Nice, you kill him.
Fuck you, bitch. Fucking bitch.
Calm down.
Where you at?
Remember, there's a
One more.
bottom floor. Nice.
Got him, he's down.
They're gonna rank up.
Fuck
They're
you,
white.
bitch.
They're white. They're white. Yo,
These guys
these
are
are
shit.
first
These guys are
day.
ass, bro.
These are
These
first
guys are
day.
ass.
Hey, they're here. They're outside. Why are you hiding, bro?
They don't know me,
Down,
son.
down.
He's down, he's out.
Did you kill him?
I don't know, I think he died to the smoke. I didn't finish him.
No, he's...
There's people on
he
top of the
died.
building, bro.
Copy.
People on top of the building. I got a sniper, I'm gonna try and pick up one of them.
Yeah.
Is there a bullet drop in this game?
Somebody's here.
He's inside, I see him. Nah, in the water. Fuck, I'm down.
Oh, I killed him, but I died.
Fuck, dude. I'll do one more before I hop off. Let's go one more.
Press play again with me. Yeah. You got I got 2K23. My friends say they're gonna come play with me later. Don't be like
that guy was pissed, bro. That one guy. He's like, fuck, there's two of them.
Then the first team we wiped, that's a child and a dad. Cause I can hear the child, yeah. Dad, he killed me. The dad said, we gotta go around.
Oh man, I love being toxic in games, bro. So it's that's why COD is so good.
What do you usually play?
I play a Valorant, like shooters.
What is that?
I play Valorant. It's like a first person. It's like CS:GO. Do you know Counter-Strike?
No, I never played.
It's like 5v5.
It's like multiplayer. Hey, this multiplayer on this is way better too. You're gonna see. A multiplayer.
It's like it's very aim intensive. It's like super aim. So I have decent aim. I just gotta learn the thing. Cause you know, like aim train and stuff. I use the aim train all the time, dude. Like.
I like see whenever you have time, take a picture on the PC you create. I wanna see it. Here we go. Sammy, remember, play a lot of multiplayer so you can unlock a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna spend a good like half hour or something fixing all my settings and setting up loadouts and shit.
Yeah, cause you can make 10 loadout, and whenever the loadout drop, you go choose whatever you like on those 10 loadouts. You know, you can use number 1 or loadout number 5.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna play snipe. You know, sniper.
Oh, I'm not really good at snipe, but I love every time you play sniper.
I've seen your TikToks. Don't lie to me. I've seen your TikToks. Oh, man.
Yeah,
don't lie to me, bro. I've seen your TikToks.
I have a PS4. That's all I got. That's it.
I see you, Mr. FSM KOSRAEAN, representing.
Yeah, representing all of them. The other Bonavians don't like me at the beginning, and now they kind of like me. They're like, oh yeah, KOSRAEAN. Every time we play duos, they switch the map, different kind of maps. But if you play squad, you just play at Reaper Island. I have a lot of friends always like to play snipe on the custom match. Like we play that every day. 20 of us or 12.
Damn, bro.
We play search and
You
destroy.
know a lot of people.
Yeah. I really glad you downloaded, Sammy.
Yeah, dude, I was thinking about it, and when I first heard of it, I thought of you. I was like, wait, my uncle plays that, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, let me hit him up, see if he wants to play.
Yep. This is the #1 game I'm playing right now. And 2K22.
Yeah, dude. My brother plays. This foreign exchange student lives with us. He plays a lot of 2K.
Yeah.
He's at 2K.
Nah, yeah, I know there's a lot of people love 2Ks, but just play 2K every day instead of Call of Duty like us. Because 2K nowadays, you can make your own court and invite your friends. Yeah, it's It's going crazy.
Super customizable. I'm gonna head over to you. I'm kind of far.
I just saw somebody. I think he jumped away, bro. Why you run? You can turn on the proximity chat. I'll always love to use proximity chat. Because you can hear enemy next to you.
There's a guy on me. Cracked him.
Where you
Damn,
at?
this sniper's kind of good, bro.
Enemies deployed a counter UAV.
Yeah, most of the guns.
He's over here.
Good. Come to me. I buy you guns. You can buy your loadout guns on the buy station. I'm gonna buy mine and give it to you, the sniper.
Yeah, give me a sniper, bro. There's a guy chasing me, though.
They're dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
I got the sniper already on my end. Right here. Come.
I see.
Wait. Oh shit.
Alright, good shit. He's over here.
That sniper, if you kill them with it, they're gonna turn skeleton. Cold and skeleton.
Oh, that's kind of fucking cool.
Yeah, he's cool.
Hit him once. He's low. That guy's super low.
Yeah, he's only take 2 shots. 1 shot in the head.
So I did 1 shot head if I hit him in the head?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
I think it's here. I just
Oh shit. There's a sniper on top of that tower over there. That lighthouse.
Be advised, enemies deployed a
No,
buy
they're
station.
buying loadout over there too. There's another team.
Enemy buy station deployed.
Someone shot me from over there.
Scratch that.
Shit, there's a lot of people over here.
I'm going to the buy station to trap.
Friendly loadout.
I'm pushing you guys.
There you go.
Yeah. You hear me, yeah? I'm coming, bro. You stay there, do your thing. Why you chomp, bro? It's kind of like a dumb decision to do right now.
Fuck you, dude.
I can
Oh,
hear
he's a
him.
good guy, bro.
I can hear him say, hey, wait, they're coming. Hey, still, where's your team? Why you hide, bro? I can hear you. Yo, big chief. Oh, chiefs don't want to talk. You're just hiding. Big chief, where are you?
Broadcast detected. Encrypted signal
I'm gonna buy a UAV and I'm gonna find you.
signal. Prioritize
Alright.
open caches.
You gonna hide? Oh, I have not enough money. I think let's go to the loadout. I need my guns.
I'm coming.
There's people just drop.
Oh, there's a guy, there's a guy, yeah.
There's 2 of them.
Solid copy. Mortar strike on the way.
Better run, dude. Cause I'ma kill you. I'm sorry, bro. Told you to run, man.
Inside the top squad.
There's two more over here. I knocked one.
Alright, I'm on the bottom. There's a boat. I'm coming in.
Two over here. I'm shooting at them.
I'm getting my guns.
Oh
There's
shit.
one dropping in.
Hostile located.
Hey, you got, I didn't see you.
Oh shit.
Let's see.
There's a lot over here.
He down, bro. That's a
Oh,
long
fuck.
shot.
Oh, I got soft res. I'm chilling. I'm chilling.
Remaining
One
operators
and
from
done.
that squad. Hunt them down. Gas is moving.
God damn, they're on top of that hill. You see them?
Where?
On
One
top
above
of this
two?
hill right here.
Oh
There's two
shit,
snipers.
there's two.
Yeah, dude, I've been trying to kill them. There's two of them, bro.
They're funny, bro. Why they do that?
Squad's in the safe zone.
Watch, I'm gonna troll.
There's a guy dropping on you. Watch out, watch out. I'm coming over to you.
No, 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 quédate ahí.
Now you run, bro. Now you hiding, bro.
Where he thinks he's going, bro? Fuck that guy.
I don't know why you hiding over there, bro. That guy was... I got loadout too. I'ma give you a gun.
You got a loadout drop inbound.
Planting cluster mine.
Somebody's here.
I see him, I see him.
Two.
Here, I got you, I got you. They're fighting each other.
Damn, I almost get died on that, bro.
Oh, there's a lot of people.
Along.
Alright, come, I got your guns. I want you to try those guns. It's really best, right there. Even that, take that.
Loot here.
Take both of the guns.
Yeah, I took them both.
Sale is active.
Alright.
Buy station prices are adjusted.
Come on, where are they? They're on
There's
the
a guy
bottom, I
from
can
over
hear.
here. Two of them. Two of them over there.
Why are you hiding, bro? There's people on our side to shoot them.
Scratch that.
He's right here.
Man, you think you're gonna hide and kill me?
Oh, he's half. Dude, he's so low. I got a soft res, so I'm just gonna use that.
Watch out, people behind us. Let's go down. We're in a bad spot.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Target area marked. Cleared hot.
I have a lot of kill streak over here. Oh, one down. Let's work.
Oh, I see.
They're right there. They're right there. They're still there.
Advise you head to the safe zone. You got a lot of ground to cover. Fire sales over. Adjusting price.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot.
Copy that. Longbow 3-1 is on station. Strike.
Oh, fuck. I might die. Oh, shit.
Right here, right here.
I'm down.
We located the rest of them.
Will I respawn if I give up, or?
No, yeah. Still.
Squad is down.
Okay.
Stay alive to bring them back. Enemy incoming.
one in that building, yeah. You hear him?
Sure.
Yeah.
No longer active. This is for keeps.
Target
Squad
area
mates
marked. You're
redeploying.
cleared
Well done.
Hostile airstrike near your location.
Restocked. Advise you close it down. Contracts
Guy on top of the
Oh my
roof.
god. What's an airstrike?
Only 10 left, Sammy. We gotta win.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot.
Cover.
Longbow 3-1 on approach. Strike inbound.
Yeah.
What you trying to do, boy?
Gas is moving.
I got one.
One on me too.
I killed one. There's one more on me.
Safe zone's a ways out.
Moving.
Oh shit, that gun is crazy.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
Trying to shoot beach.
Top 5.
Oh, good shit.
Squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
You see me?
I'm gonna go buy you.
Hostile airstrike in the area.
You got gas moving in. The safe zone is far from your location. Get moving. Pronto.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh shit, bro. There's a guy on me.
Resurgence is no longer active. It's
That's it. Me and him only. Watch me murk him. Watch me do that.
Good shit, bro. Let's go. That's a good way to end it, bro. That's a good way to end it.
Watch, we're gonna be. Don't leave yet. We're gonna see our record. Oh, I'm gonna post it on my TikTok. Ay.
Alright,
That's a
good
good
shit, bro.
way.
I gotta hop off.
Alright,
But we should play
Sammy,
more.
nice. No, go do whatever you wanna do. You have to do so we can play
all teams. Extraction is inbound.
Yeah.
after that. Yeah, do it. Finish what you're supposed to do, and then you invite me, and I play with you for sure.
Alright, for sure. I'll message you when I'm back on.
All right,
Alright, take it easy.
all right, Tammy.
Well. Return to conquer.
Hey, bro, what's wrong with the match? Kill 691. What's wrong with the match, bro?
We win that match.
Why the match takes so long to start?
Huh?
What's wrong with it?
What's
Why
wrong with
match takes so long to start?
What's wrong with what?
The match. How come the match don't start as yet?
Because we just won the last match. Me and the other friend I got. You joined
No,
while
I'm
we
saying-
playing.
No, I'm saying why it's taking so long to start.
Oh yeah, it's about to be start.
Hey, where's the other guy?
Check your gear and weapons. Open the doors first. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Check your weapons, check your gear. We're holding for deployment. Prep time's over. Prep time's over. Now you report to the Warzone.
Alright. Reckless.
Survive and redeploy.
Why you use 80 though? You use jet only.
Five up, you may need to take that. Explosive tactical! Hostile will keep it online. Hostile deploy the Mastillo. Friendly contract strike on the way.
Coming in.
Good work. You're redeploying. Enemy soldier incoming. Loadout drop headed. Now drop it down. Enemy buy station incoming.
Huh? You talk to me?
Go get hunting. Enemies are dropping into the area. Enemy soldier incoming.
You're hiding it, dude.
Contract failed. Check and close.
I took a break.